In this session, we already have used unlock method. In this video, we will look at the unlock method in more details. Namaste everyone, I am Gyan and you are watching the session 20 of Java and Web, Multithreading in Java. The unlock method is a public method which returns void. The unlock method is present in the lock interface and implemented by the ReentrantLock class. The thread which calls the unlock method unlocks one acquired lock. Multiple locks can be acquired by a thread. But whenever a thread calls the unlock method, then one lock among them will be unlocked. The unlock method can be called only if the thread already acquired at least one lock. Otherwise, if a thread does not have any acquired lock and that thread calls unlock method, then the JVM will throw illegal monitor state exception. Therefore, calling unlock method without acquiring the lock causes illegal monitor state exception. Here in this case, without acquiring a lock, the thread is calling the unlock method and the JVM will throw an exception java.lang.illegal monitor state exception. That's all for this video guys. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe my channel on YouTube, like my page on Facebook and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.